Greetings to my audience. This is Advocate Jyoti Kumari from Sri and Sri Law Associates. Today, let us know about the latest judgment on adverse possession when claimed by tenants. Tenants cannot claim ownership of rental property through adverse possession. The Supreme Court has held that a tenant cannot become the owner of the rented property through adverse possession. Tenancy is equal to permission from the landlord or the owner. Adverse possession needs hostile possession, that is, without the owner's permission. Even if the tenant stays for many years or stops paying rent, it does not turn into ownership. Long stay alone does not give ownership rights to the tenant. Only a person occupying land without permission from the start can ever claim adverse possession. This was clearly affirmed by the Supreme Court of India. Now, let us know when adverse possession does apply. Adverse possession can succeed only if all the points which I am going to discuss are proved true. Firstly, if a person is in possession without the owner's permission. If the possession is open, not hidden. If the possession is continuous, no breaks. If the possession is hostile, acts like a real owner. If the possession lasts for 12 years or more in private property cases. If the real owner does nothing to remove them during this period. And remember, if even one condition is missing, then there is no adverse possession in the eyes of law. Now, let us know that when it cannot be applied. Adverse possession fails if the person is a tenant, a licensee, or staying with oral or a written permission, or a caretaker or a relative allowed to stay, and someone who accepted ownership of the real owner. That is, being a tenant, accepting the ownership of the real owner. It should be noted that permission kills adverse possession. Finally, one line to remember. Adverse possession starts with the trespass, not tenancy. Now, let us know the meaning of trespass and adverse possession. Trespass. Entering or remaining on someone else's property without permission or the legal rights. Adverse possession. Using and occupying the property like a real owner for a long time without the real owner's permission. Specified case of the above. A judgment was delivered in a dispute reported as Jyoti Sharma versus Vishnu Goyal, where a tenant attempted to claim ownership of a rented property through adverse possession after decades of occupation. And finally, the Supreme Court dismissed the claim, achieving clarity on the law. Once again, let me remind you all, adverse possession begins with trespass, not tenancy. So stay informed, protect your rights, and follow the law. For more legal knowledge, stay connected with my channel and me. Thank you.